In this video, I will show you how to connect Wi-Fi to Philips Smart TV. Before we get started with the video, please check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. So let's get started. To be able to connect the Wi-Fi into your Philips Smart TV, the first thing that you'll need to do is to press on the home button on your remote control, and then under that, go ahead and select Setup. Now, after you do that, go ahead and select Connect to Network and confirm by pressing OK. Now, select Wireless and press OK, and then go to Scan and Confirm. Now select your network and confirm with OK, and then select Enter key and press OK. So the encryption key must only be entered once and your TV will save the entered key. Now use the numeric keys on your remote control to enter the encryption key and confirm Done by pressing the OK button. Now after this, you'll need to confirm by pressing OK, and then connecting may take several minutes. So please have patience. Now press OK once the connection is completed, and a note on network function appears. Press the OK button to complete the connection. After completing the network connection, a wizard for setting up a video store automatically appears on the screen. So confirm by pressing OK to exit the wizard. Now your TV is connected to your network. And that's basically how you can connect Wi-Fi to your Philips Smart TV. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and please check out the links in the description box for the bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.